Hello everybody, it's me, Code Choker Looter, signing in for another episode of the Starting Out with Python book series, course, whatever you're gonna call it. And here we are. I think we are already in the part 7, 8. I'm so bad at keeping track of parts in in these videos, but of course, you're gonna see it in the title. Anyway, so we reached already the chapter 4. Last week we finished the turtle project of chapter 3. I hope that we have a turtle. Yeah, we have turtle graphics using loops to draw design. That's freaking great. I love the turtle graphics, I have to say. Anyway, so chapter 4 is repetition structures. So with repetition structures, we're going to see introduction to repetition structures, okay, the while loop and the condition control loop, the for loop, the calculating a running total, sentinels, input validation loops, nested loops, turtle graphics, and whatever you're going to call it. And of course, if I see like another methods that we could do that they explain but they do not do an exercise with in the chapter, I'm gonna do this because I said that I'm gonna do this in the JavaScript book. I'm gonna run a list of all the methods and like tools that they explain, and I'm gonna make basically like another series of using those tools and methods and implemented in the exercises. So without further ado, let's get into the chapter. So, introduction to repetition structures. A repetition structure causes a statement or set of statements to execute repeatedly. So basically, what it does is the programmers will have to write code that performs the same task over and over. For example, suppose you have been asked to write a program that calculates a 10% sales commission for several salespeople. Basically, this is what you do: get a salesperson's sales and commission rate, sales float, calculate the commission, display the commission, get another salesperson. Basically, you do all these things. Can control. Condition control and count control loops. In this chapter we will look at how two broad categories of loops: condition controlled and count controlled. A condition controlled loop uses a true-false condition to control the number of times that it repeats. A count controlled loop repeats a specific number of times. In Python, you use the while statement to write a condition control loop, and you use the for statement to write a count control loop. In this chapter, we will demonstrate how to write both types of loops. So what is repetition structure? This is your checkpoint here. And now we're going to see the while loop condition control loop. A condition control loop causes a statement or set of statement to repeat as long as a condition is true. In Python, you use the while statement meant to write a condition control loop. So we're going to jump into the while loop right away. 3, 2, 1. So we are here already. Gonna create it's called program for 1.py. We have it's called the commission.py. This program calculates sales commissions. Create a variable to control the loop. Keep going equals y. Calculate a series of commissions. While keep going is equals to y, then get a salesperson's sales and commission rate. What's going on? Expected to block of sales equals float input, enter the amount of sales, what else? Sales is equals to float, input, enter the commission rate, calculate the commission of sales times rate, display the commission, print the commission is format commission 2.f. We go comma here, set then see if the user wants to do another one. Keep going, equals input. Do you want to calculate another commission? Go for, sorry. Enter Y for yes. We save. There is a, what's going on here? Why is it in yellow? There's a warning. Commission rate. Wait a minute. Oh, here. There we go. Okay. Let's go. Run Python file. Enter the amount of sales. We got exactly 500,000. Enter the commission rate. The commission rate is actually 3%. So it's 3%. Oh fuck. What? Excuse me? Let me see. Let me clear it out. Ah! What did I do? Oh, I hate this. Huh? I cannot. There you go. Okay, thank you. Let's try to do it again, okay? Let's try to do the same example as the book. .10. Okay, so there's an error in my code. File important. Print the commission here. Commission. This one. Commission is, what's wrong with that one? Is that it? Oh God, okay. I'm sorry. It's 10,000. Do you want to calculate another commission? Yes. Now let's see my example 0.03%, and it's gonna be 15,000. Wow, wow. Okay, that's actually pretty cool. Pretty cool. No. So, in retrospect, we'll see here. Notice a condition that is being tested, keep going, equals y. The loop tests this condition, and if it's true, the statement in line 8 through 21 are executed. Then the loop starts over at line 7. It tests the expression keep going. Well, and if it's true, the statement in lines 8 through 21 are expected. Again, the cycle repeats until the expression keep going is tested in line 7 and found to be false. When that happens, a program exits the loop. This is illustrated in figure 4.2. Okay, you can see this very well, right, guys? This is figure 4.2. All right, let's get going. Figure 5.3 flowchart of program 4.1. Start assigned to keep going. Going true. There we go. The while loop is a pre-tested loop. Okay, the while loop is known as the pre-test loop, which means it tested its condition before performing an iteration. Because the test is done at the beginning of the loop, you usually have to perform some steps prior to the loop to make sure that the loop executes at least once. For example, the loop in program 4.1 starts like this. While keep going is equals to y, the loop will perform an iteration only if the expression keep going is true. This means that the keep going variable has to exist, and b, it has to reference the value. To make sure the expression is true the first time that the loop executes, we assign the value y to the keep going variable in line 4 as follows. Okay. Okay. Okay, temperature. Program 4.2. The pi. It's called temperature.pi. This program assists a technician in the process of checking a substance's temperature. Cool, isn't it? That's kind of cool. Name constant to represent the maximum temperature. Max temp equals 102. Of course, we're going to put this as how it's called. I forgot. I forgot how it's called, so I'm not going to put it. Get the substance's temperature. Temperature equals float. Input. Enter the substance's Celsius temperature. As long as necessary. Instruct the user to adjust the thermostat. While temperature is greater than max temperature, print the temperature is too high. Print turn the thermostat down and wait. Print 5 minutes, then take the temperature, print again, and enter it. Temperature equals float, input, and enter the new Celsius temperature. Remind the user to check the temperature again in 15 minutes. Print the temperature is acceptable. Check it again in 15 minutes. Okay, it's pretty simple actually. From the Python file, so this temperature is gonna be 145.8.89. Temperature's too high. Turn the thermostat down and wait 5 minutes and take the temperature again. So it's gonna be 125.3. The temperature's too high again. Oh my goodness. My goodness. But we're getting closer. 1 and 08.1. Temperature's too high. Let's do 100. Temperature is acceptable. Check it again in 15 minutes. Clear. Super duper. Okay, so I think it's pretty self-explanatory how these how you call it, how these code works, right? I don't have to go again, so we can actually go right next to our how you call it, next exercise. All right, infinite loops again. We are encountering another infinite loop example, and this one actually is pretty hilarious. So how about if we do it? It's very short. It's going to be the last exercise from this episode for now. I'm going to keep it short. I have to do other courses, but hey, this is kind of cool. Let me see. Program for 3.py infinite. I'm gonna put infinite loop in this one. .py. There. This program demonstrates an infinite loop. Create a variable to control the loop. Keep going equals to yay. Warning. Infinite loop while keep going equals to yay. Do get a salesperson's sales and commission rate. Sales equals float input, enter the amount of sales, rate, float input, enter the commission rate, calculate the commission wait. Commissions equals sales times count rate. Display the commission. Print the commission is format commission to F set. Excuse me, what? There's some error. Prints developed was not closed? What do you mean? It was closed, right? Ah, there you go. Okay, now run Python file, the amount of sales, the commission rate. It's gonna be 15%. Oh, enter the amount of sale. It's gonna be like that all the time. Oh no. No. Okay. And with that being said, guys, we are going to finish the chapter right here. Not the chapter, but the curse of this chapter right here. Next week we're going to continue. It's already almost 25 minutes, so I think it's a fine place to finish. So tomorrow's gonna be C#, and then on Wednesday it's gonna be JavaScript. I have the JavaScript already almost submitted. I just have to upload it to YouTube. And Thursday I start the new course of game design. We're gonna be reading a book of game design from PackPad. I have the subscription for PackPad where I can read all the books, so I want to use that subscription at the maximum. Therefore, we're gonna read along that book, and if there are exercises over there, that's even better, because we can actually do exercises and exercise our game design capabilities. Okay, well guys, thank you very much, and see you guys next time. Bye bye.